guys, it's Kel and welcome back to my channel. Still trying to get used to this whole filming schedule thingy, but today we are going out to the parrot shop to pick up Vegas and possibly a little surprise, so let's get going. Also, check this out. We got a new vehicle. Check this thing out. Mean-faced vehicle. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. It has so much space. It's so much bigger than the other one. Look at that. Alright. Check that out. Alright, guys. Let's go get Vegas. Look at all the pretty fall colors. Hi, Dad.
Hey, how's it going?
Tex. Hello, you're on camera?
Hello.
Yes. She doesn't go for it. They don't like to be on the YouTube.
I'd like to thank all the little people.
She's so weird. Alright, we're gonna grab some lunch here at the good old Sippin' Post before heading on over to the bird shop. Almost tripped there. I got to wear fall boots, you can't see. Let's see if we can find Vegas. There Vegas is. Hi, baby. You get to come home today. Hi, Vegas. You're not Vegas. You're Vegas. Hi.
You better try to get some.
You're pretty. Hello. You look like a little raven. You look like a little crow. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, I filmed a little cutie. Oh, this is Rosé.
I like champagne.
Yeah. Hi, Parker. You're so chill. Hi, dude. Oh, hi. Hi. Good to see you, Jimmy. Hi, Pickle. What are you telling me, Pickle? Really? Is that how you feel? Is that really how you feel, Pickle? It is, huh? Little one? There.
I'll get them off, yeah. But I got them off, and because it was kind of bad. Yeah. So, but I know it's not in the. I just kept the ones that were still good. Right. So I know it's not an exact count, but I just kept them. Yeah, I was like, good enough. But I gotta get her. Yeah, but everybody knows me by. What you guys get?
Alright, I picked up my boys here today, and now we're gonna head back home. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Look at Vegas.
You think it's really cute.
Look at Vegas. Hi, baby. You finally get to come home. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. So cute.
Everybody's always such bird people are so nice. Because they're
And
fucking
crazy.
crazy.
Yeah.